Hey guys, for this recipe you will need brownie ice cream, which I made in my last video. It was delicious. So let's get started. So grab your ice cream, scoop it out, add it straight into the blender. You will need around 3 to 4 scoops of this. Around half a cup of milk to make it nice and thick. If you don't like it thick, just add more milk. Salted peanuts, oh man, they are delicious in the shake. So make sure you use them. Cover this up. You see, that was so easy. Blend until nice and smooth. Perfect. Done. Listen, I'm not trying to give you diabetes, alright? So don't drink this too often. It looks amazing. And look at those brownie nibbles dropping down. Oh man, it's gonna be so nice. I love munching on them. And we are all done. Just a bit of ice cream or whipped cream if you like. Cover this up and serve. And here is me trying to tell you, it's delicious. So delicious. Please do subscribe and like for more recipes. Salam.